going back real soon, but there's no reason for us to stop with our program, and our program dictates that she should learn to stop with a whistle, and that's what we're training her to do here. We're getting the dog used to not hearing the voice, we're used to the dog hearing the whistle. And the reason for this is if you're casting the dog at a great distance, you're out of earshot, they can't hear you. But with the whistle, it's very effective. The dog can hear you from a longer distance. If the dog's sitting right next to you and you blow the whistle, it sounds like, do you understand? It sounds like you're screaming in their ear, sort of. It's real loud. So it's a pressure wave that you can indicate something to your dog with. You know, if it's not gonna act like it can't hear you with this. If you're right over here and I say, it could definitely hear the whistle. Do you understand? I hope this makes sense. Mila, heel. Here. Sit. No. You got it, sister. You got it. Good girl. That's good. Sit. Heel. Let's do this one more time. Let's do it from this direction. Come here, heel. Sit. Here. Sit. No, sit. Heel. Here, heel. No, heel. Here. No. Sit. Here. Sit. No, sit. Here. Heel. No, heel. Say sit, blow the whistle. Keep repeating this, and then finally, just don't even say sit, just blow the whistle. Heel. Heel. No, heel. You got that? Here, heel. Sit. Here. Sit. Good girl, heel. You got it. Come here, heel. That's good. No, heel. Here. Sit. Here. Sit. No, sit. Heel. No, here. Heel. Sit. Mila, here. Sit. Heel. Sit. Good girl. Here. Sit. Sit. No. No. Good girl. Here. Sit! Good girl, heel. There you go, good girl. It's awesome, dude. Sit!